Ever notice a tiny logo on a t-shirt or hoodie that just pops? It's not just a logo, it's a statement. And in 2025, direct-to-film pocket logos are the secret sauce behind some of the hottest styles in fashion. Small, subtle, yet undeniably bold. From streetwear to uniforms, this clean and minimal design will forever be relevant. But why are these mean designs blowing up right now? In this video, we'll explore the pocket logo trend and show you how you can design your own with DTF printing. Stick around, this is one trend you don't want to miss. So what makes DTF pocket logos such a hot trend right now? Well, first off, they're the perfect way to make a statement without overwhelming the design. With DTF printing, we can pack loads of detail and color into a compact space, making it ideal for those sleek, compact pocket logos. It doesn't matter if you're running a clothing line, doing bulk uniform jobs, or just building up your sample game. Smaller designs should be in your playbook. They offer a premium look without drawing too much attention. It's kind of a subtle flex. And DTF printing is perfect for this. Now, unlike screen printing where you can lose detail in smaller spaces, DTF keeps all the detail crisp and every color vibrant, making it ideal for those intricate pocket logo spaces. Comment down below if you've experienced this. On top of that, DTF's ability to print on a wide variety of materials, whether it's cotton, blends, polyester, even lightweight fabrics, means you can apply pocket logos to almost any product, from polo shirts and hoodies to accessories like hats or bags. And on top of that, DTF pocket logos are far more cost-effective compared to larger prints. We're using less ink, we're using less material, which helps keep production costs down without sacrificing quality or style. More and more brands are jumping on the DTF pocket logo trend. From streetwear to premium labels, everyone's catching on to how these small designs can make a big impact. So let's dive into the styles that are really taking off right now. First up, we got landscape. Think something long and lean. Great for brand names, slogans, and even department identifiers if you're doing those uniforms. This style is classic for a reason. Clean, minimal, and it works on everything from hoodies to polos. With DTF, we're not limited to just one color either. Gradients, outlines, texture effects are all on the table. Next up, we got a vertical or stacked layout. More common in modern design or when you're working with an icon and some text. These tend to read very well up close and give off a boutique or premium vibe, especially nice for those high-end apparel brands. You've probably seen these next ones everywhere. Circular logos give a nice contained footprint, perfect for embroidery swaps or brands with badge style aesthetics. These look really sharp when centered right above the pocket line, and here's a bonus, they're super easy to align. Now here's where it gets fun. We're doing something a little different, using negative space and the shirt color itself to do the heavy lifting. This could be a grid sphere, abstract badge, or complete the home team logo with a knockout color print. Remember, we're not locked into solid blocks of ink. Intentional gaps can really let a logo breathe. Which pocket logo style would you rock or offer to your next client? Let us hear it in the comment section. All right, so we've seen the designs. Now let's check out how these pocket logos are being used. The cool thing about DTF is you can slap these designs on pretty much anything. Shirts, hats, bags, you name it. Let's get started. Brands are loving this DTF flexibility. It lets them add detailed logos to all sorts of items, and it keeps the designs looking crisp no matter what it's being printed on. And if you're wondering how to perfectly place pocket logos on your items, check out our video on pocket logo alignment. Now, whether it's for streetwear, custom gear, even promotional products, DTF pocket logos help brands create standout pieces that grab attention. See, it's more than just a logo. It's about creating something your customers will love and keep coming back for. These designs bring personality to your products, making them unique and memorable. Whether it's a fresh new streetwear drop or a corporate giveaway, DTF pocket logos is the perfect way to make your brand stand out without breaking the bank. If you're ready to capitalize on the trend and start designing your own DTF pocket logos, the first thing to keep in mind is simplicity. Remember, a small logo has to make a big impact, so keep your design clean, appealing, and easy to recognize. Remember, less is more. Now when it comes to fonts and colors, choose something legible and distinctive. With direct-to-film, you're not limited to just one color, so feel free to experiment with gradients, texture effects, anything to make that logo really pop. Software-wise, programs like Adobe Illustrator are great for creating vector-based designs that scale without losing quality. Or if you're like me and not very familiar with graphic design programs, AI software like Image Presto can do all the hard work for you. And if you're interested in a free trial, make sure to check out the link in the description down below. Also, material selection. Keep in mind that different fabrics can affect how your design comes out. Light fabrics are great for vibrant colors, while dark material might call for a more subdued design or additional elements to really make it pop. When it comes to size, this can really vary depending on the pocket logo structure, but as a general rule of thumb, between 4 to 4.5 inches as the longest dimension is typically solid on most adult garments, with the other measurement aspect ratioing out to a lesser or equal size. Finally, when you're ready to print, make sure you're working with a reliable direct-to-film printer that knows how to handle these smaller detailed graphics. We used the Prestige XL4 from DTF Station, and as you guys saw, our pocket logos came out crisp and vivid. Pocket logos are not a trend, they're a staple. So whether you're running uniforms or building that brand, this is that clean premium look. And with DTF, you're not limited anymore. Sharp details, small runs, fast turnaround, and we got options. Landscape, portrait, circular, negative space, just don't be basic. And if you're thinking about adding pocket logos to your lineup, drop us a comment down below and let us hear which style hit the hardest. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to hit that red subscribe button. We got way more DTF tips and design inspo coming your way. And if you'd like to see your own artwork come to life just like this, book a free demo. Virtual or in person, it doesn't matter. We'll walk you through the whole process start to finish. I want to thank everyone so much for hanging out with us today. My name is Esteban. We are All American Print Supply. We'll see you in the next one.